Hey Divi Nation, thanks for joining us for another installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we've been giving away a brand new Divi Layout Pack. And this time around, Kenny and the team have designed for you a real estate layout pack. This real estate layout pack has 7 pages included, each with a fresh and inviting design. It even has a listings page, which is perfect for showcasing property listings. And the color scheme works with the light background to make images stand out. The header on the home page has a unique design with 2 call to actions, perfect for any real estate company or agent. Now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how to use it on your own website. Before you can import pre-made layouts from the Divi library, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. If you have already activated updates for Divi under Divi Theme Options, you've already authenticated your subscription and you'll have access to the layouts without a problem. Once that's done, you're ready to start importing your new layouts to create your pages on your website. To add a real estate page layout to your own website, you first need to go and create a new page. Navigate to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and enter a title and deploy the visual builder. Open your page settings menu at the bottom of the page and then click the Load from Library icon. Then find the real estate layout page and select it. You will see all the different page layouts within the real estate layout pack. Go ahead and select the one that you want and click Use this layout. Once the layout is loaded to your page, go ahead and publish it. And that's it. You can go ahead and continue this process until you created all 7 pages with their corresponding new real estate page layouts. And then after that, you're going to want to go ahead and create a new menu for your website. To do that, you go over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Menus. And once there, go ahead and create a new menu and then give it a menu name. And then click Create Menu. Once that's done, you're going to see a list of all the pages that you've created over here on the left side. Go ahead and select all of the pages that you just created and then click Add to Menu. Once done, they're going to pop up over here in your menu structure area, and then you can go ahead and rearrange them however you want. Don't forget to click the primary menu as the display location and then click Save Menu. After that, you should see your new menu at the top of your page. Don't forget to create a static home page for your website. To do this, go back to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page, and then from the home page drop down, go ahead and select the home page that you just created, and then click Save Changes. Now you have a designated home page with the new layout. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. And I know that you don't want to miss out on any future giveaways, so please be sure to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course, like us on Facebook. That way you can get notifications every time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next video.